Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. I hope that you're ready for today's vlog. It's just a little fun little... Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. I hope you're ready for today's vlog. It's just a fun little video that I did at the park because I was bored and I wanted to put out a vlog for you guys today. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. We are here. I just came from doing a little bit of a photo shoot in the rich people area, but we are here to check out what they have. Bag of the day is the mini Longchamp. Love it. We'll do a little kind of bag of the day inside the car. Hopefully we find some stuff because Miss Philly needs some money. I love money. My objective in life is money and dick. Money and dick. So they have this lug bag. 30 bucks. It's actually not bad. Hey, I donated this. And they priced it 35 bucks. I'm the one that donated this. Seriously. This is cute. $34.99. That's actually not bad. We might get that for that price. Oh, these shoes are cute. What are these shoes? Oh, Uggs. I just find it funny. I found it funny because I donated this. I'm the one that donated this.
Oh, you got good taste. You never know what you're going to see again.
Yeah. Excuse me. Do they have any Tiffany?
Videos, Miss Philly.
Oh, thank you.
I'm watching you.
Thank you so much.
Like your winners and then Marshall.
Oh yeah. I find some good stuff there. So. This thing is actually really cute over here. Oh, that's kind of cute. go over here and check out what they have. Okay, let's see. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Really cute wallet. Sling. I think it's leather too, actually. Jasper. I wonder if that's anything. I'm a little bit like self-conscious because I haven't like shaved my legs yet, and there's like some hair on it, but I really kind of don't care. Ooh, this is kind of cute. It's probably Aldo though. This looks like it's Aldo too. This is genuine leather. What is this? Gianni Berlani. Oh, never heard of that brand before. What is this? French Connection. Roots. Never heard of it. The sports sack. That's cute. Okay, well there's nothing here, but I did find this Coach, which I want to show you guys. It's actually a really cute color too. It's like a little cute little bag. It's leather, $34.99. You can't go wrong with that price. It also has like a longer crossbody strap, which is nice. And it doesn't have the Creed inside because like newer Coach bags don't have the Creed anymore. So that's how that works. That's cute. I can probably like clean that up.
Both of us are going to the future so yeah, we are getting that. Okay, bring it.
I can probably clean that up a little bit. I mean, plus I have a $2 off coupon, so that's not bad. And it's a newer Coach style, so the color's cute. We're gonna get it. God, I can use this as a body pillow and like hump the shit out of it. Not even kidding.
So,
Maganda.
Someone mentioned that this might be an Issey Miyake, but it's not an Issey Miyake. I'm pretty sure it's not. It's a, oh wait, is it? Nah, that's fake. Bow Bow Bag? What the hell is this? Nice to meet you. Oh. This is a big Bow Bow bag. What the hell is all this crap inside? I'm gonna put this somewhere else because whatever. But I think this is a fake Bow Bow bag. I'm pretty sure it is. Because it doesn't feel like it's something. I know It's Hadrian had one like this, but it does say like Bao Bao Isimiyaki. So I don't know. I don't know. And why is it missing? Oh, okay. It doesn't feel substantial, so I don't know. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's Tommy Hilfiger. That's a brand.
I just get all my clothes from
It's kind of pricey for this. I mean, it retails for like 50, I think.
50.
Yeah. So 31 is kind of like, yeah. Hey ho bags, we're just coming from Value Village. I got those 2 Coach purses, which is an amazing, well, not an amazing deal. I could have got a better deal. And I had to utilize one of my coupons, which is kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. I got no mama here today and it's late, so it's not like I can put things on hold and then call my mama to get me and use her 30% off. But whatever, it's okay. We still got shit, and I can probably get like, I'd say 60 to 80 a piece, so whatever. I'm a happy biatch. Hey guys, I just wanted to do like a bag of the day. Our bag of the day is the Longchamp. Wait, let's put this, let's make it look pretty. The Longchamp Le Pliage Mini, which is super, super cute. I love it. It comes with the matching, here somewhere, matching little pouch. Cuteness, right? Cuteness galore. That's the only new thing that I have in the bag aside from the Kate Spade. Someone said this was fake. You don't know what you're talking about, okay? This is real. I can tell. I've been using this to put my bills in. Bills. Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my automobiles? Anyway, it's real Kate Spade, okay? Recognize your shit. That, and that's the only other new thing that is in my bag. I just love to switch bags every day because I like it that way. But yeah. And then I want to show you the 2 bags that we got. We got the Coach, this little pink, little cute little Saffiano leather bag. There's no creed inside because the newer Coach bags don't have creeds, and I don't know why they decided to do that. To me, it's dumb, but whatever. But it's cute. I paid basically $89 for both bags, which is a little bit expensive, but I think that I can get at least like 60 to 80 per bag, okay? Plus they're both leather, and plus they're both not factory outlet bags, which is a plus. Plus I have dust bags for them, so okay. And then we have this bag, which is a very popular style. It's like their signature classic style. Love the color for like a late kind of Indian summer fall kind of thing. But yeah, cuteness, right? That is a cute bag. And it's all leather and not factory outlet. So, woo. Hey guys, that's all that we got today. We're gonna head over to the other Value Village, but I doubt that we're gonna find anything because it's a Value Village by my place. We never find anything. Anyway, guys, I'll see you there, and yeah, bye. Thank you. I'm still kind of eyeing this bag. It's like a really good quality for leather. It's like only 10 bucks. We might get it. Because I mean, there's like really good pleather shit. Look at this, $5 for the Steve Madden. It's so cute. There's like no wear on it either. I don't know if I want to risk this though. I mean, okay, is that real Coach? Oh my god, it is real Coach, but it's a little toe up. And there's no price on it. Someone took the price off. Wonder how much they're gonna price this at. But there's like that on the patent leather. It's so cute. So much good things today. That fake Marc Jacobs. Just fake Burberry. How much is this fake Burberry? $8. Audrey Hepburn. Givenchy, that's kind of cute. $10. Oh, look at that Scream coat. That's kind of cool. I bet my niece would like this. She's into like that weird shit. I'll give it to her and see if she likes it. I'm wearing the Yeezys today. Yeezys. Celine Trio? No. I think we're gonna get this because my other denier sold really well. Oh my god, that hat looks so cute on me. What the F? Genuine leather made in Italy. Cuteness. Cuteness galore. $10 though. No thanks. There's this cute Steve Madden. Ew, I'm doing like the camel toe thing right there. Camel toe, camel toe. It's only like $8 too. Steve Madden. It is like a cute bag. This one is the one I kind of like really like. Like, hello, like look at that. That's a good price.